Hi guys, another art installation from Farty Art. Yeah, another small little piece here that I did quite some time ago now, but I thought it'd be useful to show it to you guys because it's not a perfect piece. I can see a few flaws and things in it when I look back through it, and a bit different of a style than what I normally go for. The positioning of the body and the angle of face is different, and the main aim of this wasn't the face, it was the backlighting on the hair for me. I wanted to try and nail that, and also probably the body shape, just a simple shape. I just wanted to nail it. Often with art, simplicity is more, so the simpler you can keep it, the better it looks. So that's why I was going pretty simple shape with the body, and it was kind of inspired with that olden style drawing. Often they just draw a bust picture like this, and or when you go to the shops and you see those half mannequins, it's just a bust for displaying clothes and stuff. I kind of had that in mind while I was drawing this or painting this, and yeah, but my main focus wasn't the face or the detail, even though it did come out all right on this character. The hair was my main focus, and you can see towards the end of the video I spent quite a lot of time on the hair, and I did nail it. I just couldn't quite get it right, I don't think. So yeah, I did this on 2 layers when I probably should have done it on probably maybe 4 or 5. So I did the body and the face on one layer, and I did the hair on another layer. I knew the hair was going to be on another layer because I was going to play around with the lighting. So that's probably why I only did 2 layers. I was really focused on that. Yeah, so the face came out pretty good, I think, in the end. And I learned a lot actually off doing the face on this. So I suppose another lesson in this for me was don't be too scared to change direction a little bit, because it kind of got to the point where the hair was a bit of a loss for me, but the face kind of turned out all right, and I learned a lot of things about the lighting and stuff on the face, even though I was trying to keep it really simple and sort of smash the face out quickish. And you can see I didn't put a lot of effort into the face, but the results were quite good considering. Just with the lighting and the shading and stuff, like I kept it real basic, and I did when I was painting this. I kept it zoomed right, sort of like full out. I didn't zoom in and do fine detail. The reason being I wanted to keep it simple, so I just speed up a bit. So this piece took around 5 hours, which is quicker for me. Usually I dawdle around a bit, and it might be 7 to 9. But yeah, 5 hours on this one, and it's a pretty simple piece, let's be honest. But I was trying to learn a few things for myself. So yeah, you can see now I'm just doing a bit of the shading on the face and the lighting. And yeah, look, I didn't spend much time. I was done. Obviously it sped up this video, but I think I would have only spent 30 minutes maybe on lighting and stuff on the face, which I usually spend a lot more time on. And the hair, you can see me playing around this on a different layer for quite some time. And yeah, I just didn't get it. I think maybe my colour choices were wrong. I think I needed another layer or 2 behind the hair as well, which was completely possible, but I'd committed at some point, and I should have probably just scrapped it and started again, but I was stubborn. But I did learn a lot out of this picture, so I think that's all you can hope for when you're doing a piece, is hopefully learn a little bit more every time you do it. So I'm happy about that. So we're drawing towards the end of the video now. Let's take the opportunity to remember guys, like and subscribe, helps me out. If you want to see more of this stuff, I like posting just a bit of sort of everything about art. My failures are there's heaps of opportunity to learn there, so that's why I put a few of my not so great pieces up as well. you know, and I'm improving all the time, so eventually you'll see some better stuff from me. It's just I've started sort of at the bottom, and hopefully it chronologically displays a bit of an improvement as I go along. So that's another aim of it. So yeah, if you check the link in the description as well, you'll see links to my shops and stuff. I've got a few like print on demand shops and things going. This piece and a few other ones are up there, so it does look quite good on a shirt and a few things. This picture here, so I ran with it a bit, but yeah, I really liked her pose in this picture. It was just a picture I grabbed off the internet, so I'm not sure who it is or the model. Pinterest maybe, I think I got it. So yeah, I just loved her smile and the way the picture angle was. So that was my main inspiration for choosing this picture. Alright, I hope you liked the video, guys. As always, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.